Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is Sifu JJ. Today video, Korean Kung Fu workout for beginner. If you're training with me all the way to the end to complete the lesson today, please leave your full name down below. Because I got to reward this beautiful certificate to the first 5 people who are complete today lesson. I will post your certificate with your name in our community tab. So get ready and let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. come back. 1, 2, 3, 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 ready. 1, 2, 3, come back. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 more. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. step to your left, double hand up. And number 2, both side in. Number 3, right, left, and right. Kick your right. Arm circle your right. 1. Turn to your left. 2. Come back. And 3. Open. Go stop your right. 1. And kick your right, your left back. And you cut left. And you kick left back. And cut right. Both hands go up, feet together. Let's do more times. Get ready. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and finish. Let's do more. Get ready. Go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finish. Do a few more. Go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, kick, 2, kick, cut, and finish. Keep going. Get ready. Go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, kick, 2, kick, 1. 2 more. Get ready. Go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, kick, 1, 2, 3, 1, kick, 2, kick, 1, 1, 2, finish. 1 more. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, kick, 2, kick, cut. 1, 2, 3. I wish you have a beautiful and peaceful day. I see you in the next video. Love you all and bye bye.